Dr. Bijal from Smiles.ai. I am the orthodontist. I am here to answer a few of the frequently asked questions about aligners. Regular maintenance of aligner is essential with the special foam that is provided in the package. Yes, you can. Since our aligners doesn't have any metal brackets or wires, so you can comfortably sleep with the aligners on. Yes, aligners are as effective as braces. They are completely invisible, removable and comfortable. Retainer is compulsory regardless of aligner or braces treatment. This is to prevent the teeth from going back to its previous position.